Following on from question 5b, 5c in a way is a similar kind of thing, and so this time we're expressing the square root of 3 as a power of a third. Well, we really want to find what's the square root of 3. Well, if I was writing the square root of 3, well, there's 3. Here's the square root of 3. Well, what would that be as a power? Well, that's the same as saying 3, and you just have to know that a half, any power of a half, is the square root of that thing. So if I had, for example, 50, and I wanted the square root of 50, that's just 50 to the power of a half. Same with all numbers. Now, we don't want that, though. We want to find what it's going to be as a third. Well, we know if I've got a third, and I want to turn that into a 3, I just simply make that to the power of 1, negative 1. And of course, I'm finding the reciprocal of this reciprocal, which of course takes us back to 3. But I also want this to be a square root. In other words, I want that to be a half. So I've got to make this also 1/2. And now I've done it. So let's just see how that works out. So negative 1 times 2 is negative 1 times a half is negative 1/2. So 1/3 to the power of negative 1/2 is equal to the square root of 3. And there's my answer.